you because you are awesome. So thank you so much.
It was the first day, I find it more awkward with the student. So my interaction between the student is not really good. But from today, I find it more fun and more comfortable to talk with the student. And then they find it more fun too and more comfortable to talk with me. They asking me, they are like giving an expression like, oh Kak, ini this is good, and then I can't do it, and then etc and more. So I think the most important thing we do about this exercise